As a small token of appreciation, I now request Satyabama ma'am to present a bouquet to DG Sri Advaita Gadanayak. Sri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman, Advisory Committee, National Gallery of Modern Art, Bengaluru.
We are all assembled here on a very joyous occasion for the inauguration of the works of A. Almelkar. And this is a very important day as far as NGMA Bengaluru is concerned, because it is an exhibition which has been totally managed by NGMA Bengaluru. The whole exhibition, right from the inception till what has been done today, and once you are going to view it, is a long journey by itself. And I'm very proud to say that under the able guidance of our new Director General, Mr. Advaita Gadanayak, we have been successful in doing so. Things have moved very smoothly. I started working for this exhibition since he took over as DG, and needless to say, the journey was smooth. I welcome you, sir, for readily agreeing to come here and to inaugurate the exhibition. Little introduction is needed as far as Mr. Sudhakar Rao, our chairperson of the advisory committee, is concerned. As I feel that having come to Bengaluru, it is a trendsetter, because NGMA Bengaluru also intends to bring exhibitions of other Karnataka artists. It's in the pipeline. And we only hope that it could happen, so it will be happening this year. So this is a trendsetter, because though Almelkar was born, educated elsewhere, he is still considered to be a person from Karnataka. And to that extent, we have made a beginning. The next best thing that could happen as far as this exhibition is concerned is that through the intense efforts of one of the members of the advisory committee, Mr. Mahendra, I was able to contact people in Karnataka who had some works of Almelkar with them. And I was successful in getting some works from the principal, Mrs. Renuka Markande, from the JSS Halbavi School of Art, Dharwad, and also from the collection of Mr. Vijay Pagargundgi, who was more than ready to lend his work. I am truly thankful to the two of them for having agreed to give their works for exhibiting here in this NGMA. And finally, I would also like to thank the intense efforts that have gone in by my staff, led by Darshan, who has now become a regular person in the NGMA Bengaluru. It's one more feather in the cap as far as Bengaluru is concerned. And so we have with him, led by him, we have been able to do this exhibition and accomplished it at the time when we wanted to do it. And there's another thing, so NGMA is progressing, moving forward, and I once again welcome both Mr. Advaita Gadanayak, the DG, and Mr. Sudhakar Rao, the chairperson of the advisory committee, for readily agreeing to be here for this exhibition. Thank you.
I request Mr. Sudhakar Rao to give his address.
A warm welcome to all of you to the NGMA Bangalore. DG NGMA, Mr. Advaita Gadnaik, Mrs. Badrinath, Balan Nambiar, Mr. Vasudev, members of the advisory committee who are present, distinguished guests, visitors. It was sometime in summer of last year, 2016, that I was in Mumbai, and I went to NGMA Mumbai, where the director there, Mr. Kenneth, had invited me to see the Almelkar exhibition. It was a stunning display of Almelkar's works, most of which, as already pointed out by Mrs. Badrinath, are with NGMA Mumbai. I think his family donated his entire collection, whatever was with him to NGMA. I mean, it was traditional art at its best. Sort of, you could see the influence of Indian miniatures, possibly temple paintings, vibrant colors, nature, habitats of Western India. And it was at that point that Director Kenneth and I we talked about it. We talked about Almelkar's connection to Karnataka. I think he was born in Gujarat, spent some time in Bijapur, and then went to Kolhapur and studied in Mumbai and elsewhere. But he had a close nexus with north of Karnataka, and we thought it would be very apt if this exhibition comes to NGMA Bangalore. And I'm extremely happy that it has, thanks to Mrs. Badrinath's personal efforts. I think she has taken a great interest in having this brought here. She visited Mumbai, sat with the people there, and managed to get, if not the entire collection or the entire show that was put up on display in Mumbai. I think that time, that show was curated by, the curator was Bahulkar, who, interestingly enough, after having conceptualized the whole exhibition, by the time it was mounted in NGMA Mumbai, had become the chairman of the advisory committee. Although this exhibition is smaller and possibly Darshan has had a lot of role in curating it, I think essentially it takes from Bahulkar's good work, and I think we need to thank him and NGMA Mumbai for the courtesies extended to us. It is also fortuitous that we are having this exhibition inaugurated by Mr. Gadnaik, who's just taken charge as DG of NGMA. He's an artist himself. He hails from Orissa, but is settled down in Delhi. He's a sculptor, and possibly in the traditional school, a simple, soft-spoken man like I believe Almelkar was. I think it's very appropriate that he is the one who's inaugurating it today. You'll find in the exhibition a remarkable range of work. Almelkar was interested in nature, he was interested in landscape, he was interested in our epics, he was interested in Indian traditions, although he did not typically follow any established school of traditional art. He also experienced with several mediums. All of that you will watch. Almelkar's focus on traditional art, on traditionalism, of course, was critiqued by some people in the progressive school. But this exhibition, if you see, you will realize that it was good that he focused consistently on the traditional to know what kind of art treasure he left behind. Meanwhile, thank you very much for being here today. I'm sure you will enjoy the exhibition, and I request for your continued support and patronage of NGMA Bangalore. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now request the Advaita Gadnaik to give his inaugural address.
Actually, first time I have seen this building. Such a good location, good building, good atmosphere. I really surprised. Thank you, Sudhakarji. Actually, Sudhakarji already told about our exhibition. Actually, I'm a sculptor. I have no proper language, so I like to create such a beautiful atmosphere, lively atmosphere, Bangalore NGM. And I like to Bangalore NGM it should be like a international standard National Gallery of Mannar. Thank you.
Now there will be a formal opening of the exhibition at the exhibition entrance, gallery entrance.
Lovely exhibition.